How to redeem Spotify gift card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily redeem your Spotify gift card. So first thing what you want to do is just make sure you have your either a physical card or your online gift code ready, redeem code ready. And once you do that, you just have to head over to any of your browser because your Spotify application doesn't allow directly to redeem because there is no any option on your Spotify application itself. So what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside a browser, just search in for the Spotify redeem page. And once you're inside here, you just have to log in to your with your Spotify official account. And once you head over to the page where it says to log in, you enter your redeem code. So after you log in, you will be seeing this type of interface, and where you have simply click on your premium code. And once you enter your redeem code, simply click on this I am not a robot button over here and just click on continue. And that is exactly how you can easily redeem your Spotify gift card from your Spotify. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.